Okay, so here we have a function. Function of x equals x cubed plus 5x squared minus 2x minus 24. Now that minus 24, that's where we start. Okay, so we want our factors of 24. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. So those are all of our factors, and there's a lot of them. But what we need to recognize is that we need to start to find a factor of this cubic. We can start with the low numbers. Now we're going to have to look at positives and negatives, but you can usually rule out some straight away. So for example, if we looked at 1, if we put 1 in place of wherever we see an x, we're going to get 1 cubed, which is 1. 1 squared is 1 times 5 is 5, so that means we've got positive 6. But then we've already got negative 24, so we can immediately eliminate 1. Now remember, we also have to use the negatives of these. Okay, the negatives. So let's try minus 1. Well, again, we're going to have a negative 24 here. We're going to get a negative 1 here, a positive 5 here, and a positive 2. This negative 24 dominates in this case. So we can eliminate 1s. And obviously that means we can also eliminate 24 as our factor, but that doesn't matter so much. So let's try 2. 2 cubed is 8. Then we have 2 squared, which is 4. 5 times 4 is 20. So we have 28, positive 28. This is looking good. If we put a 2 in here, we get negative 4, negative 28. Bang. So that means what we're saying is f of 2, so when x equals 2, we get this function has a value of 0. Okay, has a value of 0. And that means that we have our function, have our factor. And our factor is going to be x minus 2, because when x equals 2, the whole thing equals 0. So now we have the linear expression that we're going to use to divide into our cubic. Okay, we know that's a factor, so when we divide in there, we're going to get a remainder 0. So that's what we're going to do next.